Hello everyone. So welcome to this Python tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to create a Hello World program in Python, which is often the first program you write when learning a new programming languages. So first of all, let's set up and install Python on your computer. You can simply download it from python.org, and I recommend using Python 3 as Python 2 is no longer supported. So just install the Python and try to run to check the version of your Python on your terminal. You can use your own terminal from the Windows CMD or uh, MacBook terminal as well, or you can use the installed terminal of VS Code as well. So by writing this Python 3 hyphen hyphen that hyphen hyphen version, you can check the version of your Python, and yeah, it's already installed. You can install it on your machine and simply just create a directory, and let's write one file which is test.py. Every Python file have a py extension, so let's create it and start writing our first program into Python. So so yeah, now let's write our hello world program in Python. It's as simple as it. Get type the following code into your editor. Hello world. That's it. And to run this program, just simply write python test.py. Make sure you are in the same directory, otherwise file will be not found. And you can see that I'm not in the same directory. Now I'm in the same directory. If you can see this python test.py, so you can see we have successfully run the hello world program. Just save your file and run the program, and that's it. You have successfully created a hello world program in Python. So Python is a versatile and powerful language, and this is just the beginning of your programming journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thank you.